Gardening is a deeply rewarding and beautiful activity that connects people with nature in a meaningful way. Gardening allows individuals to plant seeds and bulbs and watch them grow into beautiful plants and flowers. It's a magical and fulfilling experience. Gardening provides a direct connection to the natural world. It allows people to observe the seasons, weather, and the life cycles of plants and animals up close. Many people find solace and stress relief in gardening. The act of tending to plants, digging in the soil, and being surrounded by greenery has a calming effect on the mind and body. A well-maintained garden is a sight to behold. The colors, shapes, and fragrances of various plants and flowers can create a visually stunning and inviting environment. Gardens can be a haven for biodiversity, attracting a variety of birds, insects, and other wildlife. This interaction with diverse forms of life adds to the richness and beauty of the garden. One of the joys of gardening is witnessing the changing beauty of the garden throughout the year. Spring blooms, summer lushness, autumn foliage, and winter tranquility each have their own unique appeal. Gardening is a skill that can be cultivated and refined over time. Learning about different plant species, soil health, and gardening techniques adds an intellectual dimension to this activity. Gardening can bring people together. Community gardens and sharing plants or produce with friends and neighbors can foster a sense of community and generosity. By planting native species and creating wildlife-friendly gardens, individuals can contribute to conservation efforts and support local ecosystems. There's immense satisfaction in harvesting your own fruits, vegetables, or herbs and incorporating them into your meals. It connects you to the earth in a tangible way. Gardening is an excellent educational tool for both children and adults. It teaches patience, responsibility, and the importance of nurturing and caring for living things. The beauty of gardening lies in its ability to bring people closer to nature, provides a sense of purpose and tranquility, and creates visually stunning and biodiverse environments. So whether you have a small balcony garden or a sprawling backyard, the act of gardening can be a source of joy and inspiration. And as always, thank you for watching. Please be sure to click the like and subscribe button.